Hi everybody and welcome to today's video. So I have got a home bargains haul for you today and I'm super excited about a lot of the stuff that I have recently bought, and this is like 2 different shops worth of things, and I actually did an online order as well because I kept going into home bargains, seeing online things I wanted and then not find them in store. So I did my first home bargains online order and it was here within like 3 days. It's amazing. Would definitely do it again. The only thing is it's like $3.99 delivery. So I think I'd rather still go into store, but just in case anybody else didn't know that you could actually order from their website. So yes, that you can do. So something I specifically went looking for is actually this new duo from Leno. And this is their new summer collection one. It is Ocean Breeze Summer Vibes, and oh my god, it smells so lovely. I struggled to find the scent boosters at first, but I'm so glad I have, and I've been putting off using these specifically for me to film this video. Oh my god, they smell amazing, and like a combination together just makes your house smell amazing, not just your clothes. I love how strong it can be. So yes, I do like to pair up and use these things. I always get Leno pretty much. I think Leno is literally like the only comforter that I use. I think their scents are a little bit better than other branded ones. Something seriously boring is something I actually picked up today, running, because I suffered really bad with indigestion last night. Throughout the night, it actually kept me awake. It was that bad. So yes, I just picked some of those up ready for like next time it happens. Although it seems like quite a big packet. 48 in there, yeah, because it was expensive as well. Something else super boring, dry shampoo. Like, I don't often use dry shampoo. I will just wash my hair, but there are times where I get like, your hair could just, especially when I've got a middle part in, I feel like a lot of the time I need like a bit of extra boost in volume, and dry shampoo does that really well. So it's obviously a lot cheaper to buy in home bargains than it is in Boots or Superdrug or the supermarkets. So I always like to get it whilst it's on the home bargains. It's like $1.99 or something in there. Whilst we are talking about beauty stuff, I also picked up 2 Garnier sheet masks. I always get mine from there because again they are cheaper. They are $1.99, and in like Boots and that they I think are about £3, maybe $2.99. I don't really know, but I know them more. So yes, I've just picked a couple of these up. These are both the lavender one for super hydrating and anti-fatigue. I like this one. I like all of them, to be honest, but I picked up 2 of the same this time around. I also had to pick up a new one of these. So this is the Harpic. Oh my god, this is the tropical fragrance. It is a tea, and I bought this when it like first came out a few months ago and loved it. So we've had to rebuy this one because we both say we love the smell of this. It like makes the bathroom smell amazing. Hello. So yes, like I was saying, amazing. This smells incredible, and again cheaper in home bargains. I don't know why I keep saying that, because everything branded like this that you can get anywhere else is always cheaper in home bargains, so I'm gonna stop saying that. Okay, so the last 3 things, no actually I've got 4 things. These next 3 things were the things I bought online. So firstly, I have been trying to look for a cream blanket for ages, and one that isn't like overly expensive. I just wanted a plain cream blanket. $3.99 in home bargains, love it. It is just basic cream. It's like got tassels on the end of it. It's like I said, basic, because that's all I wanted. I just wanted a blanket that looks good and like suits my sofa, especially for the new house, because as you can see I like got blue wallpaper in this house. I'm so annoyed that I did that 3 years ago, and for the next house I'm doing more neutrals. So yes, I just wanted a cheap one that maybe Troy can lay on as well. So next up is actually this plant. It is obviously faux, but I loved that it was in like this pot that was like a rattan kind of themed one. I don't know, I think this is like $5.99. But I thought this would look so good in the next house, in like a second bedroom. I'm going for like a rattan theme. I just thought this would be nice to add some greenery and a pot. And like I said, it's $5.99. Like, you can't go wrong. It looks quite good as well. I just like the look of it. I'm not that into faux plants anymore. I used to be when I first moved into this house, and now not so much. So yes, I bought this one online. I love it. And then I've actually gone to Home Bargains today, and of course it was in there, but it wasn't like last week when I checked. So I feel like I've been looking for these for ages, and they are just plant markers. I wasn't bothered where I was getting them from. I just needed some plant markers because I love my garden and the flowers and everything, but I always leave the little card in there with them. It just doesn't look as nice, so I just wanted something plain that I could write them on myself. So yes, these were like £1 something. They're not the prettiest ones. I have seen nicer ones in B&M actually, and after I saw them for the first time, didn't see them again, so I was just literally picking up any that I could find, and Home Bargains obviously it came through. The last thing is one that I bought online, and it is this little garden bits and bobs container. It is part of the Botanist Discovery collection, so spring and summer, all their like bee stuff. So this was in the gardening obviously section, and I actually think it might have been Father's Day stuff as well. I feel like that's where I might have seen it initially. So yes, I was thinking, obviously it looks quite cute. It's just wooden. It says tools, seeds and twine, and I just thought this would be quite nice on a potting table to put in my gloves. There's a big compartment at the back, and then any seeds or like twine, it says. I could even put my plant markers in there and just have somewhere neat and tidy for them all to go. Because it is wooden, it's something that I'm gonna have to keep an eye on, and make sure I put it away properly in the winter so it doesn't go. Ouch, that's just giving me like a splinter. I don't think this was any more than like maybe $6.99 I think, but I really liked it. I mean, it looks like quite a manly thing, but I thought just to make everything look so much neater, because I love being in the garden and doing my planting. So yes, love that. That is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week for a brand new one. Thanks for watching. Bye.